Ginawa ko kasi through random moments na nag-take ako ng video. Yeah, parang random video lang na magkasama kami. And then, after a couple of months, kinumpile ko lang lahat ng video na yun. Then, dun sa video na yun, nilagay ko, yun, will you be my girlfriend sa after? Then, yun. Birthday, magna 9 years. Buti hindi umabot ng 11 kasi.
Katniel. Katniel Cordo. Sana hindi katulad ng Katniel na issue ngayon.
I love you to both of you. Thank you for everything that you've been given basically from my childhood up to now.
Maraming salamat Mama, Papa, and mahal na mahal ko kayong dalawa. I promise to be your honest, faithful, and loving wife for the rest of my days. I thank God for crossing our paths and for uniting us today. Thank you for always being patient, for making me laugh, for making me crazy, and above all, for making me happy. Thank you for your unconditional love.
Luis Alexandra, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Giancarlo na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Padre.
Giancarlo, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Luis Alexandra na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay? Opo, Father.
Yun, nagsimula kami sa tinatawag niya akong kuya, then tulungan kami lahat sa college, sa assignments, projects, yun, during college. Then hanggang sa ganun, maraming naging common sa amin na interest, so I think sa kaya, ayun, nag-click din, yun, kami.
Sa araw na ito, December 1, 2 o'clock p.m. ay tatanggapin ninyo ang pinakamagandang biyaya ng Diyos para sa dalawang nagmamahal.
Embarking on future adventures together with this travel companion. Thank you.
Medyo kinakabahan. Siyempre, first time. Actually, first girlfriend ko rin siya. So, lahat first.
Where are you? Where you been? I need need you around. We could build a house away from here, you and me, in the middle of nowhere, fight the cross of the morning blue. I don't care, I just wanna get home with you. I just wanna get home with you. Where you go?
Yung pagmamahal na kung paano pinakita sa kanya ng magulang niya ay ganun din ang pinapakita niya sa akin. Kung paano siya pinalaki ng mama niya na kapag kumbaba, mabait, ayun, loyal, ganun siya ngayon.
Thank you.
Si Gian kasi napaka gentle na tao, sobrang maalalahanin, bait, maasikaso, maaruga. So, baka mauntog pa, makuha ng iba. Ayan, sabi ko, mag-propose na siya. Ito na.
We could build a house away from here, you and me, in the middle of nowhere, fight the cross.
So today, I vow to give and share my life with you, not simply as your husband, but as your best friend, your lover, and your biggest supporter.
Please kind of welcome a big round of applause, Mr. Giancarlo and Mrs. Lois Alexandra Diacos Jaurique.
Today, as we become one, I pledge to honor, love, cherish you through our next chapters. Together, forever and always. I love you so much.
Mga kapatid, ngayon po'y ating masasaksihan ang ating pong pinaka-aabangan. Giancarlo, you may now kiss the bride. Pasalubungan po natin na masigabong palakpakan sina Mr. Giancarlo at Mrs. Luis Alexandra Jaurique.